Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 27 asks you to predict an outcome from two data points. It says the cost to build 4 birdhouses is $26, while the cost to build 9 birdhouses is $41. Write a linear equation to describe the situation and find the cost to produce 21 birdhouses. So the function is not given to us in this problem. However, we have 2 pieces of information which will lead us to writing 2 data points. The cost to build 4 birdhouses, which would be the x, is $26, which would act like the y coordinate. And the second situation, x is 9 birdhouses, and that cost is $41. Now that I have those 2 points, I can write my linear equation. The first thing I have to do is find the slope of those 2. So slope is equal to the second y minus the first y over the second x minus the first x. I know that the second y is 41 and the first y is 26 over the second x coordinate is 9 and the first x coordinate is 4. So now I'll just subtract and divide. 41 minus 26 is 15, 9 minus 4 is 5, and 15 divided by 5 is 3. So I know the slope in this linear equation is 3. Now I'm going to use the point-slope form in order to find my function. Y minus y sub 1 equals slope times x minus x sub 1. So this is called the point-slope form, and we can pick either point to substitute in here. I'm going to choose 9 and 41. You could have chosen 4 and 26, you'll get the same answer. And then I'm going to substitute. The first y is the y coordinate. Y sub 1 is the y from your point, which will substitute as 41. Slope is 3, we just found that. The x is any x coordinate, and x sub 1 is the 9 from the point that you chose. Now we're just going to clean this up. Y minus 41 equals, there's a distributive property, 3 times x is 3x, and 3 times negative 9 is negative 27. Now I'll add 41 to both sides in order for it to say y equals 3x plus negative 27 plus 41 is 14. So remember, they want to find the cost to produce 21 birdhouses. Now that we have the function, we're going to say cost is equal to 3 times the number of birdhouses, 21, is our x, plus 14. Then we'll use the order of operations. 3 times 21 is 63. 63 plus 14, the cost to produce 21 birdhouses would be $77.